Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Live from the land of our forefathers, and I am now having this beautiful moment to be able to see the good news that we are going to take at this very moment. I am having all these things as I look up because I am being watched by our nene. So this one is very good, and we are going to make a difference in this matter. I know that everyone would like to be part of this. Everyone would like to come and share this moment. But thank you very much, because this is the moment that we should know that life is changing, that we are winning. And I thank each and every one of you for the celebration that you have done uh, in support of the installation of King Mamay as the sovereign commanding-in-chief of the NATO. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Ito ay ipopost ko alang-alang sa atin lahat na nagsakripisyo sa araw na ito pero nag-enjoy dahil nakita ng buong bayan ang ating pinaghihirapan. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. At naway, nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. At ngayon, ito ay talagang, this is one of a lifetime. The update, the strategy, lahat itong implementation, behind the curtains, wala kayong alam. Pero ito, makikita ninyo at maramdaman ninyo na talagang nagkakaisa na lahat. Maraming salamat. Masalam.